In this video, you will learn how to schedule running a saved query and how to set up an alarm to be notified about specific results. In this example, the query will identify if an image was pulled to a container without respecting the Kubernetes image pull policy. First, I will set up a detection rule based on a query to monitor Kubernetes images with the latest tag. If you want to use the same query as in this video, you can copy and paste the query from the live lab tutorial linked in the video description. In Oracle Cloud, navigate to Observability and Management, go to Logging Analytics, and then select the Log Explorer. Now, let's paste the query and click Run to find the Kubernetes containers with the latest tag. Next, let's save the query as a saved search. Go to the Actions menu and then select Save. Select the compartment to save the search. Enter a name and optionally a description. Click Save. Next, let's create a schedule detection rule based on this saved search. Go to the Actions menu and then click Create Detection Rule. Enter a rule name, a rule compartment, and then select a service to receive the alerts from this rule. Enter a metric compartment or a resource group and a metric name. Next, select an interval to create a schedule to run this saved search. In this example, I select 5 minutes. Click Create Rule. Now, you have a working detection rule that will save alerts in the monitoring service. Let's go back to the Logging Analytics administration. Click the number on the Detection Rules tile. Now, I see the detection rule I just created. Next, let's run a script to trigger an alarm that will post metrics from this new detection rule in the monitoring service. Click the Developer Tools icon and then click Cloud Shell. Now, for this example, let's paste the script from the Live Labs tutorial to run a script to trigger the alarm. Alternatively, you can also upload your own logs with images pulled with the latest tag. Close the Cloud Shell. Next, let's create an alarm based on the detection rule we just created. Click Create Alarm. Enter the details to define the alarm. I can enter a name, body, and a severity for the alarm. Optionally, I can add any tags for the alarm. Define the metrics for the alarm. Next, define the trigger details for the alarm, including the interval for triggering the alarm. Next, define the details for the alarm notifications, including the destination service where the alarms will be sent to view on the dashboards. And then define who will receive the notifications and in which format. Click Save Alarm. Now the alarm is set up. Next, I will trigger the alarm by running the upload script a second time from the Cloud Shell. Open the Cloud Shell. Now paste the script to trigger the alarm. Close the Cloud Shell. Go back to Logging Analytics Administration and click the number on the Alarms tile. Right now, it says 0 alarms, so you may need to wait a little bit to see the alarm mentioned on this page. Now, I see the alarm I just created. In this video, you learned how to set up an alarm and to be notified when the Kubernetes image violated the pull policy. Check the links in the description below this video to learn more about the options for the features mentioned in this video.